So here we have two types of license plate holders. This one you have to pull out the bottom part, and those small things can break up. It has three of them. Currently this is intact, so those will enter there, and the end enters there and is held. Okay, so this can break up easily, but here's another type. This has this element. You just move it down or up and it's holding it down or up, and you can insert the license plate there inside. To remove it, just move it down, lift up the license plate, close it, and that's it. Notice how easily it came off. That one is already broken. Out of three connectors, one remained here. This still has three and three. I just pull down the number, bend it a little bit, remove those screws. These screws will make their own holes, so the tip will enter into the plastic, and as you tighten it, it will make a hole. And it is entering into the plastic. Remove the last one so the middle is still holding it. And that's it. Just clean it up a little bit. Now here's the new holder, and as you can see, we already have a few holes there, but they are not exactly in the best position. I want to add one to the top, and somewhere in the middle. I will make a hole here in the middle. So it just created its own hole. I will add these. So let's align it to be in the center, somewhere there, and screw it in. Of course we have lights also, so somewhere there for the top to be in line with this one, or maybe down a little bit. So that was inserted. Now let's try make it horizontal first and add another one. Let's say there. Turn and push, and it's making a hole. It's like a drill. And that's it. Just insert the license plate there, and into the corner, and then push up that.